More than Imo State, Kodakonaka, more Chukere in other states, Kodakonaka, more Chineke in Anambra State, Kodakonaka, more Chineke in Imo State, Nadia State, Kodakonaka, more Chineke in Imo State, Kodakonaka, more Chineke in Imo State, Kodakonaka, everyone more than Africa in Unwakadem, Kodakonaka.
Sure.
It has been a great pleasure to go through this, and it has allowed me to do something that I have been told my entire life could never happen. That I, as an African in the diaspora,
Your Majesty, and for me, I'm just eternally grateful to you. For me, this has been life-changing. My family comes from humble beginnings. My dad grew up in a very rural area in Jamaica, among the Jamaican Maroons, and we were always told about the oral history that there were various African ethnic groups that contributed to us, the Igbos being one of them. And I didn't know much about the Igbo culture or the people, but I did know there was something that was missing. There was something that was incomplete. There was something that I was yearning to find, and my ancestors, God Almighty, He drew me to Chief, to this organization, and through DNA testing, I was able to find my roots. So for that, I'm eternally grateful.
And this reconnection for me is something that's from the heart. I feel like I'm playing something for my ancestors. I am so proud, I'm so honored to be a part of the Igbo people.
Majesty. My journey started about 12 years ago, where I've always wanted to be able to trace my ancestry back to a country, back to a people. I'm so happy, I'm just so happy to be connected to you.
I'm happy too.
To call you cousin, and I look forward to visiting Nigeria and Igbo land someday. Thank you.
I feel like my journey is almost complete, and it won't be complete until I make it back to Africa.
Whosoever that is treating you with hostility, try as much as possible to be very good towards that person. That person would have killed you if not because of God. So do not look at that person. Be looking up to God at all times. It is the person who is alive that is going to benefit from the things of life. And Majesty is praying that God is going to beautify your life with long life and prosperity from today going forward.
Number one, congratulations.